Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a detailed video on how I achieved this beautiful copper color. Let's get into it. So for this wig, I'm using 3 bundles of 16 inches raw hair, and then I'm using 5x5 closure in a length of 14. I'm really getting into closures these days, and yeah, they're just so comfortable, and I don't have to glue it down. I can just wear it and go. So the first thing we're going to do is unravel the bundles. When I'm coloring hair, I always prefer to color from bundles. I just think it's quicker, it's easier, and then once that's done and you put the wig together, you can just go in and add whatever extra you want to add, whether it's a brighter money piece or add a bit more dimension to it. But actually going through coloring a wig and foiling, it's long and stressful. So to start with, I've got this trolley here. I use it in the salon, so it's got this comb edges, and that's where I'm gonna lay my weft to color it. Fold the weft, and then I'm gonna place it right here. So this will help to hold the weft while I color. I can't actually remember where I got this thing from, but I'll check. I'll put the link down below. It's really nice as a salon trolley, and also to color. The next thing I'm gonna do is bleach the hair, but before I do that, I'm gonna tease it a little bit from like halfway through. This is just for a nice shadow roots that blends well into the brighter ends. I'm gonna tease it. So this is how it looks. So guys, I've mixed up my bleach. It's a blue bleach powder with 30 volume developer, and I've mixed up a lot because I need to move really fast. I've mixed it up in this huge bowl. It just makes it easier for me to scoop, and yeah, a lot quicker. So I'm using my Denman brush from Kent Salon. And I'm just going to use this to scoop my bleach onto the hair. Then I'm going to repeat the same process on the other 2 bundles. So because I'm going for like a really dark copper, this is a perfect lift. I think it's about like level 5, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. While I wait for the rest of the hair to process, I'm going to go ahead and color the closure. One thing I always love is a money piece. It really helps to frame the face. So I'm gonna pick out a few bits here, and I want this money piece to be quite bold because the color is bold as well. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and foil that. So guys, it's the next morning. This is the result. So the bleach that was left over after I finished coloring, bleaching the ends, I added a bit of hot water and just soaked the rest of the hair in it. So that lifted this black into a really nice brown, so it's not all black. We're going for copper, so there's still a lot of orange pigment in there, which I need. It just makes the copper a bit more intense. You don't want to remove all the pigment, only to come and add it back in. So this is perfect. And this is the closure. The money piece is quite bright. I'll see how it looks. If it looks too bright for me, I'm going to try and figure out how to make that a little bit darker. So yeah. So I've got these colors right here. This is the copper brown, French cognac, and sienna brown. So this is another copper brown. So I'm just going to mix all of them together. I had these colors at home and I'm just trying to make use of what I have instead of buying something new. So yeah, let's get into it. This one is sunrise orange. I had just a tiny bit left in the bottle, so I'm just going to add it to the mix. I'm going to pour out some for my closure because I don't want to soak my closure in there. So I'm going to have to paint that on. And now I'm going to add some more water to the mix. Usually I like to do this like overnight so that the hair kind of takes off the color really well. That's coming out already, looking good. I'm gonna go in and soak in the next bundle. I'm gonna leave this soaked in for about an hour. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour.
Good morning, Blessing. 1 hour, starting now.
So I left the hair in the mix for about an hour and then I washed it off, and yeah, this is the final look. This bundle is slightly darker than this one, which is fine. It gives you a little bit of dimension, which I really like. So I'm just gonna go ahead now to make the wig. So this is the finished look. I really like how the color turned out and all the dimensions. I like the dark roots underneath. It's come out really nice. Here it is from the back. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've tried any of my techniques, let me know in the comments down below, and then also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll have more tutorials like this, and follow me on my socials, Hair with Blessing on Instagram and Hair with Blessing on TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.